If you want to be financially successful in life, you have to master the art of saving money. Well, by saving I don't mean holding on to every peso you have. Let's just call it the art of spending nothing more than you actually need. The large majority of people currently have this problem, and it's one of the reasons why so many hardworking, smart and talented individuals never become wealthy. So, here are a few tips that you can start using today to save your money and use it for a better cause. First, use the 30-day rule. Whatever it is you are going to buy, write it down in a piece of paper and write the date next to it. You have to wait at least 30 days before actually trying to buy it. This helps to prevent impulse buying, and also if you wait some time you're more likely to buy the item at a reduced price. Also, often you will find it after 30 days some of the items in the list are no longer interesting to you and you will discard most of them, essentially buying only what is useful and important to you. Second, commit to paying yourself at least 10% of your paycheck every single month. This is one of the lessons I've learned from the book, The Richest Man in Babylon. It says that, richest and wealth start with saving. The majority of people work hard, and when they get their paycheck they usually pay everyone else but themselves. Pay for the cable TV. Pay for clothes they don't need. They buy new watch, and by the end of the month, they're left with nothing. Instead, pay yourself at least 10% of your income before you spend it on anything else. And if it helps, you can set up automatic deductions at your bank. So, every month a percentage of your income will be transferred to your savings account. And after a while you have money that is all yours, which you can use to build your side business or safely invest it in stocks. Third, write a list before you go shopping and stick to it. It's a fact that you are more likely to buy unnecessary items if you are shopping without a plan. When you're without one, you typically end up making impulse buys and unplanned purchases, and those things cost. So, before you spend your hard-earned money, carefully plan your shopping lists. And more importantly, stick to it. Next, this one is pretty simple but very powerful. Cut off your TV. What you're essentially doing when watching television is you are paying to watch something that was automatically served you, and most of the time you have no intention to watch, but on a different level you are spending your time. Time can be money, and when you waste time, you waste money. So you're basically paying someone to lose money. I don't know about you, but this is the trait that I cannot accept. I haven't watched TV for the past few months. The benefits of doing this are enormous. You're getting your money back from the monthly subscription you used to pay, less exposure to spending and using ads, a lower electric bill, and more time to focus on other things in life. So just building your business, reading, learning someone. And finally, change your mindset from saving more to earning more. It's easier to save more money if you earn more money. This channel is all about improving yourself and learning as much as possible with the goal to have a better life skills. So, instead of focusing on saving as much as possible, shift your focus on how you can increase your skills and value, so that you earn as much as possible. But be careful not to fall in a trap for spending more just because you earned more.